Are you a home remodeler, a demolition expert, or a roofer? Do you face the problem of how to get loads of construction debris out of the way at your work sites? Lugging each trash bag up and down elevators is problematic. It's exhausting, requires precious man-hours, and can cause damage to floors and hallways. Carrying heavy debris can result in dangerous accidents, and added risk of worker injury can potentially cost you thousands in workman's comp claims. With traditional trash cans being only a few feet high, leading to endless trips to the dumpster, you need a better solution. Introducing Chute. Chute is lightweight, affordable, and easy to set up, and can be secured to roofs, windows, balconies, and more. It can be set up in 2 simple, quick steps. 1. Attach the chute to a piece of wood longer in length than the window and place the wood inside the window frame. 2. Connect the sections using built-in straps and roll the chute out into the back of a dumpster, making sure the chute is straight down and not resting on anything at the bottom. Optionally, a 32-gallon trash can can be used to create an opening by cutting the bottom half out of the can and inserting into the top of the chute. Chute can easily handle materials such as plaster, insulation, or drywall. For sharper material, we recommend bagging first to preserve the life of your chute. Save time and money on your project by using Chute today. Visit our website, HodChutes.com, to order your Chute and have it delivered to your home or job site in as little as 1 day.